Under the set of facts that the state has alleged, no crime has occurred, and they're seeking to punish someone for their free speech.
This case involving a local content creator, a New Mexico State Police uniform, and a misdemeanor charge has taken yet another turn. Alden Hamdi announced today he's pursuing civil charges against the state on the same day he entered a plea of not guilty to wearing a police uniform in these recent TikTok videos. Now, Hamdi claims the criminal charge violates his civil rights and is therefore unenforceable. Julie Frindak is following the latest twist in this case. So, Julie, he says he's pursuing this for the benefit of all content creators across our state.
Yeah, that's right. Hamdi said today he just wants to keep creating content without the fear of any backlash. This case stems from these TikTok videos posted last month. You can see Alden Hamdi in a New Mexico State Police uniform. The criminal charge for wearing the uniform has been filed for weeks, but the civil aspect is new.
5 reasons to be a state police officer in Nuevo Mexico.
Alden Hamdi went from TikTok to a Santa Fe courtroom Monday.
So I'm going to begin this morning with Mr. Hamdi. Counsel?
Yes, Your Honor. My client is not guilty and requested be set for trial.
He says he's not the guilty one in this case of unlawful wearing of a uniform.
Give me like $50 and I'll get you hito out of the bote.
And believes the New Mexico State police officers who arrested him are.
I just thought it was another video at the end of the day. I didn't think that anything was going to come of it. I thought it was something that, could get a good laugh, and not everyone was laughing at it. Hamdi
posted 3 TikTok videos last month wearing a New Mexico State Police uniform. Investigators say he took the uniform from a Santa Fe dry cleaner and recorded the videos while he was working there. Prosecutors filed criminal charges. Now Hamdi is filing a civil suit.
The fact of the matter is they didn't like Mr. Hamdi's joke. They didn't like his TikTok, and so they are seeking to punish him for his speech. We cannot allow that to happen.
Hamdi's attorney says the state's Department of Public Safety is trying to infringe on Hamdi's civil rights, including free speech.
This is a waste of state resources, and it's a violation of the constitutional rights to free speech that Mr. Hamdi enjoys under the state and federal constitutions.
UNM professor Joshua Kastenberg says both cases could be tough for different reasons. On the criminal side, he says the misdemeanor statute doesn't make a distinction for comedy.
The question then is simply this: would a member of the public reasonably consider him to be a police officer? And if the answer is no, then he's not guilty of this. If they decide to have an actual criminal trial with a jury, to me, the case is a really tall mountain to climb to convince a jury that ordinary adults would consider him to be, a police officer.
On the civil side, Kastenberg says the defense might have the taller mountain to climb.
Yes, it's speech, but I don't think that there's a built-in First Amendment or civil rights defense into this. I think it's a straight up criminal case defense.
Either way, Hamdi says this isn't the end for his TikTok characters.
We're here to, at the end of the day, being able to keep creating, and we hope that everyone in New Mexico can create without any backlash, and we're just here to exercise our First Amendment right.
As of tonight, that civil suit isn't filed yet. We reached out to state police for a comment, but haven't heard back. Trevor?